Did you know you could earn $45 plus just for a 5-minute video? In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called ProductTube, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn this sort of money by just doing short video review tasks for this website. So if you're looking to earn some extra money from home, maybe to supplement your income, then make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do, some of the questions that people are asking, and also whether you can actually earn $45 plus for a 5-minute video. Yeah, hi, my name's Martin from martinburt.online. I make videos about making money online, which are done to help you make money online. So without further ado, let's jump across into this ProductTube review, find out exactly what you need to do. First of all, you need to come across to ProductTube.com. And as you can see here, it says shopping for groceries, turn your time spent shopping into earning additional dollars. Download ProductTube. Now you can actually sign up. We're going to show you exactly how you can sign up shortly, but you can sign up from their website, or you can obviously go to the App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play. I went across to Google Play and downloaded it to my mobile, and I'm going to show you on my mobile as well very shortly some of the things that obviously we're going to go through, because some of it is different to that of the website. As you can see, they've had over 100,000 downloads with a rating of 3.6. They must be doing something good because they've had over 100,000 plus downloads. So as it says here, it's available in 32 countries. Now the only problem is I couldn't find where these countries are listed. Not even when you join up. Sometimes when you sign up, it gets you to put in your country and it gives you a big long list of actual countries that are available. And it doesn't even give you that either. So I'm not quite sure which countries it's available. Obviously, if you go across to either Apple or into Google Play, because you will need the app definitely to actually use this to its full potential. So if it's in the relevant Apple and Google Play store in your country, then I would suggest that that is one of the countries that is in. So if you don't find it in the Apple Store or product, then obviously it's not at the moment in your country. It says here that ProductTube is a premium video survey app. It rewards its users for making short videos on everyday products, typically less than 5 minutes, using their mobile phone. And these videos are used for market research purposes only. They won't be put up on other websites or social media or anything like that. So you don't have to worry too much about that. If you're thinking, I don't really want to be on camera, don't need to be on camera, because obviously what they're looking for you to do is actually show them in-store footage or stuff that you can do at home as well, and then just voice over. So you haven't actually got to be on camera. So like I said, there's a few simple steps to get started. And although you can actually sign up on the ProductTube.com. This is basically how you would do it via your mobile. So you would download the ProductTube on your mobile phone to get started. So you'd start receiving invites to participate and upload the video, and then once it's accepted, you will receive your rewards within 5 business days. Now, of course, this is all going to vary from country to country, and it'll also vary depending on whether you are in a big city, because if you're going to go to stores, you will have to factor in your traveling and possibly expense to get there, all that sort of thing. So make sure you obviously do your due diligence completely about ProductTube in your country. I can only go by what it is in the UK because obviously that's where I'm based. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go and sign up, which probably the easiest way to do that is on the actual desktop. This then just give some information here: first name, last name, email address, etc., your age, gender. You also got a referral code here, so if someone's actually referred you, you can actually add in your referral code here. Check you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and where you're good to go. You will then get a email to verify everything, which again is a good sign, because a lot of these scam sites don't get you to verify your email. They're not interested. They just want to get your details, etc. So you just obviously click on the verify button here, and then that will verify your account, and you can go into your dashboard area. So once inside the ProductTube, as you see here on the desktop, we go straight to the projects. And as you can see here at the moment, there is no products listed that are available for me as a new project. Now I signed up probably about 4 or 5 hours ago. Keep you updated in the comments below this video about how many projects I get. Once you get them, obviously you can accept them. And then obviously once you've finished them, they'll come in your close tab here. So a lot of people do ask, how do I actually redeem my ProductTube? So you've got your rewards here. So this is where everything will be paid, okay? So you've got a zero balance at the moment, and then you can redeem now. Let's come across to the ProductTube app as well. And as you can see here, it's got obviously no pending projects available here. Obviously, when you click on the reward, again, it just says 0. And obviously, it says just redeem when you get that. It says you haven't actually received any rewards just yet. Again, obviously, is correct. And you've also got referral here as well. And it says there's no referral projects available. But I'm not quite sure what that is, because when it says you can refer people, you can actually get a referral code for people to put in, but it doesn't seem to have any link anywhere. But we'll go through that very shortly and show you that. And one question that people have also asked as well is, if I don't like the app, can I just delete it? And how do I delete my ProductTube account? Well, actually, on the website itself, you can't actually delete your account. It says you've got to go into your account and then into settings, but all it gives you here is your option to change your password. But if you actually go app again here, if we do exactly the same, come up here and we go to settings, and as you can see here, it gives the option of changing your password, but at the bottom here, it says you can delete my account. So that is how you do it. You would have to do it through the app and not through the actual website. Obviously, I can't show you any projects that I'm done, or obviously that I can apply for, but on the website here, as you can see, these are how they would be laid out. Toothpaste one, which is going to cost them $45 when it's completed. There's a beverage one, breakfast cereal, baby formula, all those sort of things. So quite a few different projects. So how do you actually get paid? Now at the moment, as you can see here from the Earn tab here, it just says you will get paid via Amazon gift cards. And at the time of recording this review video, that is the only way that you can actually get paid at the moment. So that is a little bit disappointing, because a lot of people do like to see cash. So maybe this is something that they would be looking at including in a later date. Come back to the actual website, go onto my profile here name, and then click on invite friends. As you can see here, you've got email addresses you can actually add into these boxes and then send an invitation. And you've also got down, if you scroll down here, you've got a referral code, and you can ask friends to use your code while signing up on the website. I don't actually know whether I get paid or whether you get any sort of recognition for referring other people. It just doesn't say. Bit of a weird one, because most people, if they get paid, you'd think they want to advertise that so they get more people onto the website. So wrapping up with ProductTube, there are various different things that you do need to look out for. One, you need to look out and see whether it's available in your country, and you can do that by going to Google Play and Google App Store and checking it's there. Now, again, it might vary from country to country how many tasks you actually get. Like I say, I'm in the UK, and as of yet, haven't been offered any tasks whatsoever. When you do get paid, you're only going to be able to redeem your money for Amazon gift cards. And this might be different in all your countries. For argument's sake, if you're in the US, could be that a cash payment is available, or there are different payouts available. If there are, then obviously let us know in the comments below here. Overall, it looks like ProductTube are paying. And they are obviously quite a legit company. But what you can earn could be varied. It's not going to be a full-time income or anything like that. It is going to be something that is just going to give you some extra cash. Now, of course, if you want something that is more of a full-time income and you want to grow a business into a full-time income, then make sure you check out my affiliate profit formula mini video course, which is totally free. You can come and join. Leave a link in the description below here. You can also then join my free online community where I'll actually support you in your business. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.